time to do a wash and go. I just washed my hair. It was, let's just say it was snowing in the fall, okay? I had a protective style in my hair about a week or two ago, and you know, it was cute and all, but my hair was itching, and it was just time to just take them out. And what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm gonna be trying out the do or the dough or whatever you say. I'm gonna be trying out this right here. Now, I've been hearing a whole lot of good for this right here, and I was like, let me go ahead and finally try it out. Like, it's been years, and I've been just kept looking at it, I just never tried it out. So like, let me go ahead and see what it do, okay? I'm about to just go ahead and start and just jump right into the video. I did not apply any leave-in conditioner on my hair. I'm gonna be applying this right here, the Alikay Natural Lemongrass leave-in conditioner, the truth, okay? It gotta come out first, you know, brand new. So I'm gonna just spray this on my strands, like to focus on my ends right here. Sometimes it's even like to spray it in my hand because so I can have more control, because my hands be slipping on these bottles, and yeah, it's very annoying sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. I already detangled it while I was in the shower, so I'm not gonna do too much of that. I had clipped my ends before I actually put the protective style in that I had before, because it definitely needed it. I did have a video to put up, but I just did not like the way it turned out to be. And I obviously wasn't in a good mood, so I was like, let me not even post it. So here I am, but I'm gonna just let y'all know I did clip my ends, so my ends feel a little bit healthier than it was feeling. Sprayed it in my face. See, I told y'all that, like, when your hands is wet, everything just be slipping. I like to make sure that my hair is saturated with water, because really the main ingredient and the main thing that you need in your hair is water. That's how your styles come out looking all cute and everything. And if you have too much product on there, it can really kind of weigh your hair down. So you want to make sure you just saturate your hair with water. And I got my tangle tees. I just recently got this one because the other one kind of broke. But I got this one from Ulta, and I was like, let me go ahead and get another one while I'm at it. We're about to get started. So let me see. I gotta pump it all out. There you go. Ooh, you gotta have some muscles for this. So there's what, 2 pumps? So I'm gonna go ahead and see what 2 pumps do. Okay. Add another pump, so y'all can kind of see what it's doing, because I'm just now trying it, so I don't know. Let's see if it's gonna be giving. I'm scared, y'all. Let's see. Let's do the reveal. Let me see. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, curl popping. Okay, I see a curl. I see a curl though. Oh, I see. Ooh, okay. Okay, my hair kind of feels smooth. It feels it don't feel drying at all like some of these mousses be. This actually feels really moisturizing. Okay, so we got a moisturizer mousse that actually gives some curls, y'all. This is the first section, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Got the curls popping, okay? Go ahead and move on over here. I gotta get a bigger piece because I don't feel like taking all day. But I'm still gonna take my time now. Don't worry. Go ahead and spray my water. Go ahead, I got this big old water, y'all, with this big old water bottle from the beauty supply. I'm glad that I actually clipped my end because it just feels really good. I'm gonna actually use 3 pumps a piece. Well, this is a bigger piece, I'm gonna do 4. And here we are. Y'all see this? No curls. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it do. So really, I'm just raking it through. It ain't necessary to shingle because it's just not necessary because it is lightweight. But it seems like it's clumping together on its own anyways. So that's a plus. I got different textures all throughout, so some might be curlier than others, but you know, overall it's doing its thing. And I'm gonna let you know, $15 though. Okay, I'm just saying. $15. Okay. You know, I'm on a little budget here. So $15, I'm like, alright now. They almost didn't get my coin. Just saying, they almost didn't. I guess I'll spend $15. I'm like, it better be good. So here we are, we're testing it out. So I'll try to let y'all know what products work and what really doesn't. Like if you see me doing a hair video, 9 times out of 10 is because I tried it before and I like it, or I'm giving it a try for the first time. This is what we got so far. Okay, moving on up to the behaves so good in this part right here, y'all. Like, this is just with the water and leave-in conditioner. Look at this. And this ain't even with no product in it. Yeah, you see how they just did that? And that's just water and leave-in conditioner. Them curls are giving, baby. Look at that. Okay, though. Is there some magic in that bottle? Y'all. I like it. You know it's good when you gotta look at it. That's what I'm doing. Test your foam all-in-one styler for all hair types. Detangles, conditions, defines, shines in one step. Oh, so you can actually use this as a detangler, and I realized it was conditioning. See, I didn't read all that, but now I know. But okay then, we're gonna be moving on. Oh, this is how this look right here. You see it? Yeah, I'm getting to it. Let me get a little bit closer so you can just see the texture. Okay, so look at that though. I mean, and the fact that you can see like the, I think those are like conditioning particles. I don't know, but it looks good, okay? So this is how it looks up close. Oh Lord, this is dry. See, I'm high porosity and it just be, oh Lord. Did I put leave-in conditioner on this side? Well, this is conditioner if I did. I don't know. Oh, there I go, spraying my face again.
Finding myself, let alone the soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That already never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time.
So all of it is done. It's done, okay? As you see, the curls is popping, more popping than I actually thought it would be. So I'm liking it. It is drying up. I'm about to actually diffuse my hair. I'm using this Kiss Red by Kiss tourmaline ceramic thing right here, and I'm gonna be diffusing it. So stay tuned.
I love you through everything. I done did everything too. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything.
I'm done blow drying, and this is how it ended up looking, y'all. So of course we ain't going all out like this. I noticed that it is drying with volume, okay? So what I'm about to do is I'm about to put my makeup on. I'm about to look like somebody because I'm looking like a mess, okay? And then I'm going to be shaping it up and, you know, just doing what it needs to be doing. So I'll be right back. I am done. As you see, I'm going to look at it right there. This is the finished result, you know. I'm in love. Yes, I am in love. I am like, okay. So this is giving definition, okay, as you see. The definition is there. Now my curl's a bit tight, but it's still cool because the definition is there. I just picked it out like it wasn't like too much I had to pick up, but of course I had to shape it and everything. So this is just how it came out to be. As you see, it is very fluffy. And then like, this is like part of it. So this is how the curls look. Look at that. It is still sticking. So I'm like, okay, I'm giving this 2 thumbs up because I love the results, y'all. Trying to get my likes up, so go ahead and click that thumbs up button. And if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and follow your girl, okay? I think subscribe. Yeah, this is different. This is YouTube, so we're gonna go ahead and subscribe to your girl, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm just a black girl out here just trying to make it. Now let me stop. Love y'all. Bye.